when I was running Hustlers Collective and I was leading it, I also had college.
Yeah.
So I would finish
Okay.
college and I would go back to office and I would figure all of this out. I met Ridata Rana. I knew Ridata Rana because of another summit we were a part of.
Oh,
So she
nice.
knew me. So that was a little hello, hi.
Hi.
They're like us, bro. They're like us. They're like normal people.
Yeah.
It's just the little bit of talent, a little extra talent and hard work that they've put in the right place at the right time that has made them a celebrity.
We have Smira
Hello,
in
hello.
the house. How you feeling, Smira?
I think I'm feeling super good. I feel like, so I'll tell you this fun story.
Yeah.
One day, me and my friend were just going around in the mall shopping,
Okay.
and we see this one cap, okay? And that cap says something, and then I look at it and I'm like, you know what? One day when I'm going to be in a podcast, I shall wear this cap and go. And
Okay.
we didn't buy that cap that time, and that friend bought the cap a while later discount में because थोड़ा
Okay.
हम चिंदी है वैसे.
Yeah.
So we got it on discount, and that cap I'll show you maybe by the end of this episode.
Podcast. Yeah.
But yeah, I think we'll just keep that cap till the end, and I won't tell you
Sure.
what it is, but it is damn cool. That's all.
Damn cool.
So,
Okay.
yeah.
Okay. This is your first podcast, if I'm not. नहीं first तो नहीं है. एक तो flop भी हुआ है.
Huh. So this is my first podcast as me, someone who is answering the questions.
Right.
I've had a podcast which never went out anywhere necessarily, but
Yeah.
it did happen. Yeah.
Cool.
Yes, sir.
So I'll tell you my
No, before you tell me, how are
Yeah.
you feeling?
I'm feeling good. This is my second shoot over
Yeah.
here, and as I told you earlier, right? So one-to-one
Yeah.
in-person podcast. This is first time for me, and this is my second episode.
That's
So
nice.
I know it
Honored.
will be cool because we have real Rani in the house.
Bro, no. नहीं यार, ये शुरू
Real
ही.
Rani is the best bio. I'm telling you from the day one.
How have you dug out real Rani, bro?
I have even DM'd you twice saying that real Rani is the cool bio you should have it in. You have like little funny,
I
right?
have on the
Bio.
verge of being funny
Yeah.
is my bio. Although my middle name, we do this fun thing where we introduce ourselves. So it's like a fun under 25 thing. Under 25 is where I work, by the way. So we give ourselves names such as, okay, you say Smera, and your middle name is something that describes you, and
Okay.
your last name. So mine is Smera Little Funny Shetty. 'Cause I think
Oh,
I'm little
that's really
funny.
nice.
Yeah. So
Okay.
do you want to tell me your middle name?
हाँ बताओ.
बताओ. आप बताओ. आपको एक जो चीज पूरा describe करता है. So it'll be Shashank,
हाँ.
something that describes you, and your last name.
That's actually funny. Like the word
Shashank
funny.
funny?
Yeah.
ये तो मेरी कॉपी किया भाई
नहीं
तूने.
भाई literally मेरा bio भी वही that
हाँ?
is my bio also says like I'm a funny person, I'm a boring person, and I'm a happy person.
How can a person be funny and boring at the same time? What?
Not at the same time, but I'm boring at
According to
times. Yeah.
seasons.
Yeah, seasons.
Got it. Okay, cool.
Weekdays में boring हूँ और
हाँ.
weekends में थोड़ा fun.
Weekdays में होना चाहिए
ये
ऐसे
होना
यार.
चाहिए.
Boring weekends.
Weekends are
Podcast
for
चल
fun.
रहा है.
Yeah, podcast
Yes.
चल रहा है.
Go for it.
Yeah, I'll tell you how I know you, by the way, right? So I think there was this under 25 summit that was happening, and I got to know maybe a couple of months back. And I thought, like, I didn't know you guys have hustlers and all of that stuff.
Yeah.
And I was like, okay, I think these guys are going together. Let me join the group of them.
हाँ.
That was a stupid idea. Then I DM'd. I think I got to know Pratik. You might be
There are two Pratiks.
one with the specs. No, not with the specs.
I'm
sorry, Pratik.
Okay, Pratik. Do you know which college he's from?
Not exactly.
Do you know how he looks? Is he short?
Yeah.
Okay, Pratik Mishra.
Yeah, right, Mishra. Right.
Yes.
So I first I got to know him, and then I I know Akshat from there. I know you
Akshat
from there.
Khandelwal,
Yeah,
yes.
yeah, yeah. And designer is Akshat, or it is
Akshat is a photographer right now.
photographer? Right, right, right. I have
Damn good
seen his.
photographer.
Yeah, that's really cool.
Crazy. Pratik is also a damn fun guy.
Yeah, yeah. So how did you guys meet? Like how it
Okay.
happened?
So I was running Hustlers Collective
What
alongside
it is
Kaustubh
exactly? I have
Kulkarni.
no idea.
Okay. So I'll tell you what Hustlers is. So under 25, we have an annual summit which
Hmm.
happens once every year.
Yep.
We aim at getting all the students to build, curate, and get people to the summit. So build and curation of the summit is done by all the students.
Okay.
Okay. So
Hmm.
these students, the student crew essentially is called Hustlers Collective.
Okay.
So
Okay.
all these students you spoke about, Akshat,
Hmm.
Pratik, are all hustlers,
Okay.
and all of them have worked for 3 months to
Hmm.
get people to the summit, to build the summit, and like make the summit work very smoothly.
Oh, that's really cool.
Yeah.
But what is the purpose of this summit?
So a summit is an edutainment festival.
Okay.
It is primarily for us. It is for these students to learn, for them to learn how to build something
Got
of
it.
their own.
Hmm.
And for the audience, it is for sure an absolutely incredible experience with speakers who
Hmm.
come in to
Right.
talk. There are performances, there are student talent, there are like students from all across colleges who
Hmm.
come to perform.
Hmm.
And of course there are like celebrities who come in,
Right.
who need to be there.
Yeah.
And yeah, so these people built the summit,
Hmm.
and I was leading that crew.
I know.
So yeah,
How was
that's
your
how.
experience? Like this is your first time, or this
Uh,
is
so this is the first time leading Hustlers Collective, but I
okay?
was a part of Hustlers Collective last year.
Okay.
So I
So
was
you
a
was a
Pratik.
hustler, and then you
Yeah.
became
So I
part
was
of
a
the team.
Pratik last year,
Okay.
and then
Okay.
I became Smera for the other Pratiks to come. Yeah.
Oh, how was your overall experience? Like I'm sure, like meeting so many people. Like I have experienced that, and that too, you are meeting not normal people, right?
Yeah.
How was it?
I would say so. When I was running Hustlers Collective and I
Hmm.
was leading it, I also had college.
Yeah.
So I would
Okay.
finish college and I
Hmm.
would go back to office and
Hmm.
I would figure all of this out, and I
Yeah.
would work and I would
You are
come back.
really an hustler.
Yes, hustler
Real
at the
hustler.
core.
Yeah.
So I would do all of that, and I feel like more than meeting those celebrities
Hmm.
on the day of the summit,
Hmm.
I actually did not meet a lot of celebrities, if I'm being very honest,
Hmm.
because I was taking care of the box office. So, for
Okay.
everybody who does not know what a box office is, it is when you enter a festival,
Okay.
everyone's just in a hurry to get in, to get their
Okay.
tags, to get
Got
their
it. Got
bands,
it.
right?
Yeah.
So, I was that one person and that one point of contact in that area,
Hmm.
which is one of a very crucial
Yeah.
factors because
100%.
everyone's in one mood.
Rushing. Yeah.
Yeah. So I was taking care of that, and I was just taking care of holding fort for that. So
Okay.
everybody who came in went
Okay.
through me. But I did go around the summit beach mein asking all the hustlers if they had food, if they wanted
Yeah.
water, if they wanted help. So while I was doing that, I
Hmm.
met Rida Tarana.
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
I knew Rida Tarana because of another summit we were a part of.
Oh,
So she knew
nice.
me.
Nice.
So that was a little hello, hi.
Hi.
I met Babil Khan,
Hmm.
which
Yeah, I
was
saw that reel or story. I think. Yeah,
yes,
you posted it. Yeah.
hardcore fan of Babil Khan.
Yeah.
Full credits to KK Kaustubh,
Yeah.
who is my leader, who is my mentor,
Hmm.
who made it happen for me. But yeah, so it is. They're like us, bro. They're like us. They're like normal people.
Yeah.
It's
Yeah.
just the little bit of talent, a little extra talent and hard work that they've put in the right place at the right time, that has made them a celebrity.
Yeah.
You and me could be celebrities for all we know.
Yeah.
Hopefully, God.
Yeah.
Just
Oh,
putting
God,
it out in the
hopefully.
world one day soon.
Manifesting.
So, yeah, just
Yeah.
manifesting it out. So, yeah, everyone's just like us, bro. There were like these celebrities who went back home in an auto. We had a cab for them, but they were like, we'll just go back in an auto, bro.
That's really cool. That I have not heard that recently.
Yeah. And all these hustlers are also taught how to interact with these people. So our hustlers do not take pictures with celebrities.
Okay.
Because
Yeah.
for us, everyone is equal.
Yeah.
From an attendee to a hustler to
a celebrity.
thought leader.
Yeah.
A celebrity, we call them thought leaders. So
Okay.
everybody in our eyes is equal. Therefore, we do not encourage them to take pictures. However, because they've worked so hard and because
Yeah.
they've been on the best of their behavior and they're so correct and proper there, often more than not, these thought leaders come back and they're like, I'll take a
Mhm.
picture with you. I want
Yeah.
to remember this hustler.
That's really
So
nice.
rather
Yeah.
than a hustler going to
To
them and
them,
asking
they are
for a
coming
picture,
to you.
they themselves are like, I want to remember this person. So yeah, that is what we're building, and that is what thing that are what those are small values that we inculcate, and those are also
Mhm.
things that they learn on their own.
100%,
So yeah,
100%. That's really cool.
that is hustlers.
Yeah. I mean, in general, it motivates you guys as well, like
For
meeting
sure.
so many people. It's a lot of inspiration because, like, for many of us, we won't get a chance to meet them in person or take a
Yeah.
picture, or they asking us to take a
Yeah.
picture with us, right? So it's really cool and very inspiring to
Yeah. But
kind
you
of
know
be
what?
around.
That is just a very small part of what
What it
inspires
is, yeah,
them.
exactly, exactly.
What inspires them
Hmm.
is that all these hustlers have different stories.
Hmm.
Everyone is from a college. Everyone is finishing
Hmm.
their
Hmm.
college, their attendance BT,
Oh
their
God.
assignments. And then after all of that, they're traveling in, first of all, this Bangalore traffic they're traveling,
Yeah, that
unpredictable
sucks.
weather they're
Yeah.
traveling in. And they finally reach that one office
Hmm.
and everything vanishes. You enter that space and you're just happy,
Yeah.
and then you're just working, you're just learning every day. So I feel like every time, maybe there will be there will
Mhm.
always be students, or there will always be hustlers who come and they're like, bhai isse milne ka mauka to milega.
Yeah, yeah,
But then
100%. Yeah.
eventually that turns into, भाई आज ऑफिस जाके कुछ करने का मौका मिलेगा, कुछ
Hmm.
सीखने का मौका मिलेगा. So
That's
yeah,
the culture you guys have built.
yeah,
Like, that's really impressive.
that's a culture I was a part of.
Yeah, you're
So I
part of,
joined
yeah.
under 25 as a student and now
So,
working
what
there
were you
full-time.
before under 25?
Uh,
Where were you studying? And
I'll start from the very beginning. I
so,
was
so
born.
I wanted to ask you this question.
Yes,
Are you from Bangalore?
I'm born in Bangalore. I have never lived in Bangalore.
Acha,
So
I genuinely thought that you are not from Bangalore.
I am not, bro. From heart?
Yeah.
No, that'd be controversial.
You can say it.
So, my mom is born and brought up here. My dad is from Bangalore.
Bangalore, that's
However,
nice.
I was born here
Hmm.
and I've been brought up in Chhattisgarh.
Okay,
So
okay.
Chhattisgarh is a seahorse-shaped
Yeah.
state in the political map of India,
Hmm.
and so Chhattisgarh is a seahorse-shaped state in the political map of India,
Hmm.
and I've been brought up there. All my schooling I've done there,
Okay,
and I moved to Bangalore for college.
okay.
So I've learned Kannada
You
in
for
college.
12th, for your 12th or for your degree?
No, for my degree.
Degree, okay.
First year, second year, and third year. So I did BBA in business analytics.
Hmm.
So so as soon as I came here, I'm new to
Mhm.
this place. I have my relatives here.
Okay.
My grandparents, my aunt, all of them are here. But this is still a new place. I did come to Bangalore every year annually. एक महीना तो आती थी मैं, क्योंकि
Okay.
गर्मी की छुट्टियाँ ये वो करके. So I
Holiday
was
time in Bangalore.
हाँ,
Yeah.
तो I knew of this place, पर ऐसा कभी अकेले रहा नहीं है.
Mhm.
I didn't know Kannada. I knew
Okay.
Tulu. So we
Okay.
speak Tulu at home. I know Tulu properly.
Okay.
But then I came to Bangalore and then I met this one set of friends
Hmm.
who is one full Kannada gang, bro. Very fun set of people, but full
You met this group in the college,
in college.
right? Yeah.
First
Okay.
day of college, I met
Yeah.
these people. And they are so Kannada that they've influenced me to learn Kannada, and now I know Kannada.
Yeah, thank you, folks.
Thank you, folks. Thank you, my friends. But yeah, now I know Kannada,
Hmm.
and but that's very cool, bro. To know multiple languages,
Languages is really cool.
damn nice.
Yeah.
So
So when I was I'm completely from Karnataka, right?
Huh.
So I my early days were like born and brought up till college days in Chenpatna. You might be knowing. It's near to it's called Toy City, bro. You should
Oh,
know it.
sorry, bro. A little bit geographically not very strong.
Yeah, but you are quite near, na? So
Huh.
so it's middle to Mysore to Bangalore,
Okay,
right?
huh.
So there I was born, and I till my second year of college I was there. I studied my college I did my diploma in Ramnagar. You don't know Ramnagar, okay? So that
Wait,
is
it's okay,
that is
bro. You
also
tell me.
that is also called. I have to teach you, right? So that
It's
is also
okay.
called Silk City.
Okay, Silk City,
Yeah,
Toy,
yeah. Toy City is
Toy
the born
City.
place.
Okay,
Colleges was
Silk
happened in
City.
Silk
Cool,
City,
got it.
and now I'm in Bangalore,
Uh huh.
Garden City.
Garden City,
Yeah.
IT hub,
So
startup hub.
yeah, so
Yes.
in second year I came in here, and the whole lockdown thing that all happened, and then I got into this small job. So one was, firstly I went into a job that I studied. I did electrical, by
Okay.
the way. It was not what I
Electrical engineering.
yeah.
Okay.
So in diploma.
Uh-huh.
So and उसका एक जॉब मिला था वहाँ से, and then I went it there for 1 month. It was horrible, and then I was like, this is not for me, bro. I'm gonna take a leave, and then I left from there, and then I came into media side of things. Then I worked in then my actual marketing journey started.
That's nice.
It's been 2-3 years.
Oh,
Yeah.
great. Are you enjoying your marketing journey?
Yeah, damn. This is damn cool. I mostly enjoy in creative things.
Okay.
Like podcasting is
Yeah,
one.
valid. So,
Writing is my
very
top
similar.
one. Yeah.
So, I came to Bangalore not knowing anything. I used to go to college. I filled this random form and I get a
Okay.
Zoom link. I join that link. There's this one person who's just going at it and he's talking about lighting. He's like neon lights or like light on the face,
Okay.
camera angle. And I'm like, क्या इतनी जोश क्यों है इस इंसान में शाम के 7:30 and that's how I joined Under 25. I
Okay.
joined Under 25 as a creator in their fellowship called the Student Creator Fellowship,
Okay.
which we're also launching very soon,
Okay.
by the way. So that is how it all started. So I've been creating content for 4 years now.
Damn, that's
But-
that's long.
Yeah, that's pretty
Yeah.
long.
Yeah.
I've been creating content for 4 years now. But the first year of me creating content was cringe content. Not that
Yeah.
now it's lesser cringe. It is. But that time it was way more cringer.
Yeah.
And then once I joined the Student Creator Fellowship, I started getting brand deals. I started working with a lot of brands. So I think I worked with around 10, 12 to 15 brands in just as a creator, bro, with lesser than 1,000 followers. That is.
Okay.
So that was the access I had.
This was how long before? This was at the start, or
This was first year of me,
okay, when
my
you started.
college.
Okay.
First year of college was Student Creator Fellowship, and then second year of college was Hustlers Collective, the biggest batch of
Yeah.
Hustlers Collective. So I was a part of that. I was a hustler in that. So when I was in Student Creator Fellowship, I was called a resident creator.
Okay.
Then I became a hustler in
Okay.
Hustlers Collective.
Okay.
Then Hustlers Collective was done, and then I started interning for Under 20. Then I took part in missions, and then I started
Nice.
interning in Under 25.
Hmm.
I interned.
Hmm.
People at office have like a running joke, and they say that Osmeras had the longest internship in the whole world because that
Yeah.
internship was for 1 month, but
Hmm.
that kept on going and kept on going and kept on going for I think bro 9, 10, 12 months. It just on paper it is still 1 month,
God.
but I just kept interning,
Hmm.
and I think about after 9 to 10 months of interning,
Hmm.
I took a quick break because I was in my third year and I had to pass my exams.
Hmm.
And if I did not pass my exams, I would have been thrown out
You're
of my
out.
house. Kidding. But yeah, so I finished my final exams,
Hmm.
went on a quick trip.
Where did you go?
We went to Guwahati. I went to Guwahati.
Which one?
Guwahati.
Guwahati.
Guwahati is in the northeast.
Northeast.
Assam.
Okay. Assam. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
Shillong, Guwahati, we went. And
Okay.
it was damn fun. I came back. I joined Under 25 as a full-time employee now.
Oh, that's really cool.
So 3
Long
years.
journey
3
towards
years, yes.
100.
From I've played every aspect
Hmm.
of everything that I could play in Under 25.
Hmm.
But along the sides, I was also interning in multiple places.
Okay.
So I was
Yeah.
also doing social media for some places. I was
Hmm.
doing I was writing blogs for some places.
Hmm.
I was figuring out website for some places. So
Hmm.
yeah.
For me, writing was the first step to get into marketing. I used to, I started in 2019, I guess.
Mhm.
I started writing blogs,
Oh,
and
nice.
that's when I got introduced to marketing,
That's
SEO, and
nice.
all this stuff, and then I got into etc. etc. etc.
बताओ what all did you get into?
या वही तो like
हाँ अच्छा
after blog
yeah
क्या होता है, like you get into social media part and you get into SEO part, like
yeah
what it is in there.
yes
And now I'm mostly into events as well, so lot of different things
yeah
in last 2 years.
I think
2-3
very
years,
similar
very similar. That's
very
why I
similar
told you
yeah
when
yeah yeah
when we spoke first, right?
very similar social
Lot of
media
similarities.
events love being on stage.
Yeah,
I absolutely adore that feeling.
yeah.
I absolutely love community building.
And it's not a easy job, by the way. Events are
Yeah,
really hard.
events are a little bit tacky.
Yeah, damn tacky.
Yes.
Um, and I was coming to this point. You were saying about your first creator when you started as a creator, right? How was your journey that in that days? Like
The
you were
cringe
keep
phase.
going, yeah, cringe phase.
The cringe phase was just cringe. Straight up, it was cringe.
You were
It was-
enjoying. Were you enjoying basically, or
In my head, I was not cringe. Just
yeah,
letting you know.
of course, everyone was
Everyone's
not.
head, you are
Yeah.
never cringe. But then
Yeah.
when you see it a while later, a few years
Yeah, you
later,
feel
you're
like,
just like,
yeah.
ये क्या कर दिया है? But
By the way, I stacked you. I was told. I was
Yeah.
telling you, right? I think you posted few vlogs in your
yes, in my
YouTube.
early times.
Yeah, that was really cool. And उसमें एक तो favorite निकला मेरा वो some guy was not giving you flower, or
Bro, it
some
was
brand gave you the
yeah.
flower, but not
It was
any
not
guy.
even about the guy. The guy was not even existing.
Guy was not
bro.
existed, bro.
I just
yeah.
made it
Yeah.
because it was a catchy thumbnail. So I was like, he didn't get me flowers. But so I was working with this one brand
Mhm.
called it is something called
Yeah,
called
you
something. I
forgot.
don't know if I want to name drop here, but it was a good brand,
Yeah.
pretty nice brand of flowers.
Hmm.
And we did like a whole campaign for them. I think for Diwali this was.
Okay.
So I did product shoot, bro. I don't know. I just did it, and it was a floral brand, so they sent so many flowers, dude. And then it was just there, and then I was in my main character moment, so I just picked it up and I took it back home. And the next day I was like, मैं इस जंगल का करूँ क्या, लेकर तो आ गई हूँ मैं. But yeah, I bought like a whole bunch of flowers. That's the vlog about.
From whom are you expecting to get the flower?
No one.
वो तो बताना पड़ेगा.
Bro,
वो तो
जिसको लाना है
what?
मेरे को flowers आ रहे हैं bro मेरे पास. I am chilling. I can,
Okay.
yeah.
You are getting flowers. Okay.
No, as in I can also buy myself flowers. No, what do you mean?
Oh, I know.
I
But
can also still work with that floral brand.
what's your relationship? What I'm talking?
क्यों भाई? हाँ
Relationship
exactly
state.
क्योंकि नहीं, क्योंकि जरूरत ही नहीं है, इसीलिए फंबल हुआ. जरूरत ही नहीं है उसकी.
मुझे नहीं होगा शायद, but
किसी को इतनी तो
because
फंबल
I'm saying the word relationship, right? So मुझे जरूरत नहीं होगा. But
मम्मी देखेगी मेरी.
it's okay.
इट्स ओके क्या, घर पे जाके मुझे गाली मिलेगी. इट्स ओके तो तू बोलेगा ही. But yeah. What kind of events do you work in?
Yeah. So
Swiftly changing the topic.
So you changing the topic. I work in good events, software testing.
Of
events.
course.
Yeah. So that's it. So coming back to your point. So
Yes.
what's your relationship?
अरे नहीं भाई, बोलूंगी नहीं मैं.
ठीक है, बाद में बैक स्टेज में भी we will figure it out.
हाँ,
What है, क्या चल रहा है.
बिल्कुल.
I also want to know what's the meaning of your name, Smera.
My name means smile.
Okay.
Smera is a Sanskrit word and it means smile.
Oh,
Yes.
that's really cool. Smera, little funny, shady.
Shady, whose name means smile, and is just smiling always.
You got it all.
Yeah, bro, just smiling all along.
और लाइफ कैसा चल रहा है?
बढ़िया चल रहा है
अभी?
bro. Life is really good. I am enjoying everything I'm doing. I'm enjoying work. I'm
ये बॉस को इम्प्रेस करने के लिए तो नहीं बोल
नहीं bro, boss तो क्या यार. नहीं, I'm genuinely enjoying work.
Why?
I love what I do. I'm doing everything that I love, man. I am talking to people every day.
Tell me how does Smera's day looks like?
Smera's day looks like morning. Smera has tried to start boxing. So
I should be.
yes. अब पूछो क्या पूछ रहे थे 2 मिनट पहले. So,
No relationship talks.
yes. So Smera is trying to be
Hmm.
fit. That is early morning. Then
Hmm.
Smera goes to office.
Hmm.
I finish work.
Okay.
I come back home.
Hmm.
I am just back home. I'm either working
Hmm.
or I'm
How,
talking to a
how
friend.
many hours do you work in a day?
Uh, Depends.
Depends, of course.
Depends. I am usually at work. My work hours
Hmm.
need to be from 10
Hmm.
to 7, sometimes go up
So
to
you are
8,
on time, you were
9,
saying,
10,
right?
11.
You are
Yeah.
you are always on time to the
Yeah,
office.
mostly.
Yeah, good girl.
Array, bro. That's like a given. You should be on time. I enjoy being on time.
I feel you are impressing your boss.
Bro, मैं अभी कॉल करती हूँ.
Because I don't know how
मैं
it
कॉल
is in
करती
there,
हूँ अभी
right?
अपने बॉस को.
हाँ
वो भी बता देगा मैं टाइम पे आती हूँ.
हाँ वो तो I can trust that, but all I'm saying is
Yeah, you don't have any other option right now. But yeah, dude. What do you work as?
मेरा तो work from home है ना. So
How many hours do you work?
how many hours? It depends again.
Exactly.
Yeah, I used to start at very early, like 9:30.
ये अर्ली नहीं होता भाई, बता रही हूँ मैं पहले.
हमको
9,
अर्ली होता है
9:30 is
मुझे
the
मुझे
normal.
मुझे अर्ली होता है ये
Okay, हाँ.
so I used to wake up at 9:30.
हाँ.
I used to start working and because मेरा काम में like there used to be like lot of writing stuffs, right? तो I used to write it in the morning 1-2 घंटा निकाल के I used to spend my time there and then अभी क्या हो गया है कि I have become more lazy and I'm waking up at 10.
कोई बोल रहा था कोई टाइम पे आता है. I don't trust people.
मैं तो ऑन टाइम स्टार्ट करता हूँ स्टार्ट करने के बाद तो पूरा फोकस रहता है
हाँ.
नाउ आई फील आई एम ट्राइंग टू इम्प्रेस
Just two people with mics in front of them trying to impress their
two
bosses.
young folks yeah
Yes.
yeah by the way you are too young I thought like when I saw your first reel was this wait a minute I'll remember
नहीं कर
Titli
जरूरत ही
reel
नहीं.
Titli
हाँ,
reel yeah
तितली
that
reel
went
was a reel
yeah
which was made by a hustler,
acha
which is made by
nice
Dia.
Hmm.
So she made it after.
Thank you Dia
Thank you, Dia. That was a really adorable reel.
yeah
So Dia made that.
I think first reel I saw that was the first reel I felt like this is cute yeah
Thanks to Dia.
yeah
Yeah. So yeah, not even when I was in Hustlers.
Hmm.
I was just giving orders to everybody. कि ये करो, वो करो, ये करो, वो करो. On the end, like the last day of the
Yeah, I
summit.
have seen that.
What do you mean you've
in
seen
you
that?
in some story or some reel or somewhere I have seen you're demanding or use saying your other friends like do this do that do this do that
हाँ यार.
and I also replied to that saying like मुझे भी ऑफिस में ज्वाइन कर लो बस आपके जैसा बॉस I think that I commented for another reel there was some other reel I don't remember yeah
It's okay. Yeah, bro. So that's what
Hmm.
I was just going around telling everybody, ki, bro, this, that, figure this, figure that. And summit got done, and the end day, like the last day
Mhm.
of summit, we always do debriefs. So
Hmm.
in the debrief, I like KK was mentioned that
Hmm.
this Smera, who's
Hmm.
been telling all of you all this, is 19.
Yeah.
And then the whole crowd just goes, what?
I have experienced the same thing.
Yeah, dude. And then I was like, yeah, about
I
that.
don't know how they feel like how they take it. Like I am in my company. Mostly there are senior folks. Like at least more. Like I'm the junior. There I'm
Hmm.
just 21, right? So there are people above 24, I think. About 24, even 30 above
Yeah,
all of
yeah.
that. When they figured out like I'm just 21, they're like, okay.
But for us, it's all younger
Yeah,
people.
you have a lot
Yeah.
of
So
young
Akshat,
audience.
who
Yeah.
you were talking about, is interning with us.
Hmm.
So he finishes college, comes, works.
Where's your office, by the way?
Office is in Koramangla.
Koramangala, okay. Nice.
Fun space. और बताओ.
और बताओ.
just cut the awkward silences in between.
या वो तो कट हो रहा ही है.
हाँ,
ये
वो
तो
edit में संभाल लेना
हाँ
वो.
ये तो बेटर है एक्चुअली लास्ट टाइम तो और भी कट हुआ है.
Bro,
Yeah.
इतना क्या?
हाँ उतना हुआ था. Like that was the thing. I think you posted a story saying this I'm doing something. I think you opened that page at that point
Mm-hmm.
and you posted it on your story, and that's when I browsed through it and I was seeing like this is interesting. I'm also like interested in music stuff and all of that. I had I was when before starting this podcast, I was thinking I had two paths to choose. I was just planning ki what I like doing music, but I don't know. I know zero about it,
Mm-hmm.
and I have to do podcast, and I know zero, but I know media things,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
So that side. But then I thought of going with a podcast. But at that point, I saw that you just started Rahe, and I was browsing through that, and I think I attended that one masterclass as well. You did,
Oh,
guys.
Dipanshu.
Yeah, Dipanshu,
Dipanshu
that was
Rohela.
really fun.
Yes.
Yeah,
You liked it?
yeah, of
Yeah.
course. मुझे मु- as I said, like zero knowledge था ना,
हाँ
so I
हाँ.
just joined in and to see how what it is,
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
what Smira does.
Yes.
I was tagging you there.
Yeah.
But what exactly it is?
So, Rahe is like my kid, bro. Rahe
Okay,
is
how old it
something.
is? It's not
It
old.
is it is almost about to turn 1.
Okay.
So Rahe is something me and my co-founder Tanish have
Yeah.
started.
Yeah.
What Rahe is, if you have to ask, Rahe is just a platform for all
Mm-hmm.
artists or
Hmm.
anybody who needs a stage.
Hmm.
Rahe is for them.
Okay.
So
How
right
do you
now,
help them? Like,
yes,
for example, let's take my example.
yeah,
I want to start music tomorrow.
done.
Look, maybe next month.
All right.
So how do you help me?
What do you want to do in music? Like, do you want to sing? Do you want to produce? Do you want to just know
I want
about
to
music?
sing. I want to produce.
All right.
Yeah.
So I'll tell you what. We have two things, okay? So for people like you who have zero information about music, we have 2-3 categories of things that we do.
Okay.
We do our own open mics,
Okay.
where you can perform,
Okay.
where you can build confidence, where you can start by writing a poem and presenting it in front of people.
Yeah.
So those are our open mics.
Yeah.
We also have an IP called Sound Labs, in which we have master classes in which industry experts come and they teach y'all. So Dipansh Rohela
Wow. Yeah, he was one.
was one of our first editions. So we teach y'all about music. So that is for everybody who is a starter, who wants opportunities, and this is where all across, like, this is not just music.
Yeah,
This is if
yeah.
you're a stand-up comedian, if you're
Any creative,
if you,
general,
anyone
yeah.
who needs a stage, that say side of things is for you.
Got it.
The other side is specifically for musicians. So we have signed artists and non-signed artists. For all of these people, we help them release their music on various streaming platforms.
Got it.
From Spotify to Apple Music to Ghana to
Yeah.
wherever. We help you release music, and somebody can just come up to me and be like, bro, we can release our own music,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
But to release music, you need distributors, you need a
Yes.
lot of money.
100%.
What we do is we minimize that cost and we make it very cost effective for a student or a beginner starting out.
Yeah. Yeah.
Right? So for artists that have signed with us, we don't charge a fee with them.
Yeah.
For artists who have not signed with us, we charge a nominal fee for
Them to
releasing that.
release, yeah.
With signed artists, there comes a lot of perks. We give them access to a lot of events, a lot of corporate events, a lot of, say, just places where they can perform,
Yeah.
online and offline. We also help them market their song once they've released it.
Got
So Fida by Abhinash.
Yeah, that was really good.
Yeah.
I heard that in the masterclass itself.
Yes,
Yeah.
Fida was
really
damn nice.
good. Yeah.
We had Tum Mile by Adarsh. A lot of singers. Right now we have 8 signed artists, which are from music, like musicians who are like lead singers, who are rappers, music producers, vocalists, instrumentalists. So we have all genres across the country. And yeah, dude, that was like the technical part of it.
But tell me before the scenes, like before starting.
Starting,
what was the thought behind that?
Yeah.
And why?
So I'll tell you what. When I was in school, I still loved being on stage, but I wasn't the best person to go up on stage. I wasn't even the worst, but I was not even the best.
Neutral.
So I was medium. मैं
Yeah.
ठीक ठाक कर लेती.
Yeah.
But then in school, what happens is they only select the best person
Yeah.
to go up on
Yeah.
stage, right?
Yeah.
Because तुम्हारे 4 houses होते हैं
Yeah.
और ग्रीन हाउस ब्लू हाउस के बीच में कंपटीशन हो रहा
Hmm.
होता है और तुम ऐसे कोई मीडियम बंदे को नहीं
Yeah,
भेजते हो, तो
that's
यू
true.
विल सेंड ऑलवेज अ गुड person or a good orator.
Hmm.
But because I never got those stages, I never got the practice
Yeah, yeah.
to do that. Once what happened is, once in between all this
Hmm.
madness, I got one chance to go up on stage,
Okay,
and then this was a debate competition.
okay,
So a debate is happening, and I was
Hmm.
against the topic.
okay.
Hindi
हाँ,
debate
हाँ,
चल रहा था,
हाँ.
and I was full nervous because
Hmm.
haven't had enough
First time,
reps.
yeah, yeah.
And I'm full nervous, dude. And this मेरे पहले जो एक दीदी थी वो गए, उनको फॉर्म में बोलना था, उन्होंने बोला, और मैं टेंशन में, उसके बाद मेरी बारी आई
हाँ.
और मैं गई और
हम्म.
मैंने उनका जो भी था सुना और मैं गई और मैंने उन्होंने जो बोला वही बोल के आ गई मैं. तो आई हैव आल्सो स्पोकन फॉर द टॉपिक. So that
Playing in India and but
yeah, I have just उसका कबाड़ा करके आई
कुछ
हूँ.
मैच फिक्सिंग लग गया.
Yeah, dude.
Yeah.
और फिर उसके बाद उस वजह से that is fully because
Hmm.
not having enough say opportunities,
yeah, that's true.
getting on stage, and you need enough practice, right?
100%.
And then once I came to college,
Mhm.
I just went on stage. I was on stage as much as I could, as many opportunities as I could. मैंने खराब से खराब stand up comedy की है, पर मैंने की है stand up comedy.
Yeah.
So I have been on stage, and then Tanish just comes up to me with this idea, and I'm like, you know what? I really want to do this for everybody who needs a stage,
Hmm.
and for everybody who's an aspiring artist. पर bro होता क्या है कि even if you want to open for someone, वो
Yeah.
तुम्हारे देखेंगे कि oh ये famous है कि तो ये ठीक
Yeah,
होगा.
yeah.
But then there's so much talent. There is so much talent
Yeah.
across, bro. Every third person sitting beside you
Yeah.
knows something.
Yeah.
Has some form of art that
In
they've
it,
learned,
yeah.
and then they just don't. They're not able to shine because
They're
they
not
either
getting the
don't
rights.
have enough
Yeah.
followers, or they
Or the
don't have
stage.
the connect or the stage or opportunities. And then Tanish and I were just like, you know what? We'll do right by them. We just
Yeah.
give them as many opportunities as we could.
Hmm.
And that is Rahe. That is
That's
the
really
behind the
good.
scenes.
That's really good thought,
Yes.
yeah. I mean, at this time, like I feel the art side of things are getting evolved with the things like AI, all the other things coming in. Our normal work is getting a bit faster, and we are able to spend time more on the art side of things.
But that's when you know AI.
That's when.
You
Obviously,
need to know. Yeah.
not everyone, but at least most of the people are trying to, knowing the
Yeah.
AI and have working along with it, right? So I love art too. So what else you do apart from all this music?
So there's
You
Rahe,
have
there's work.
and there
I
is
paint.
yeah. You paint.
Yeah, I
Okay.
paint.
Again, a lot of similar. I don't paint, but uh, I write a lot.
Oh,
I write.
yeah.
I journal a lot. I also kind of write lyrics, poems, and all,
I
which
used to
which doesn't
write
comes
as well.
out.
Yeah. That's okay.
Yeah.
I
But it's just fun for your inner self, right? So you just have to do that to
yeah.
make your inner self happy,
Yes.
and
for
that's
sure.
really that makes me really happy. Even with my job, when I work on the things that I really care or really love about, I feel like it's not a work day; it's a fun day.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah.
That's there.
I mean, you can resonate with that. You are having the fun day every day. I hope so.
That's how
Yeah.
all of them look at it. But yeah,
Most of the
yeah,
times,
I'm
yeah.
creating content. When I'm
Mhm.
creating content, I'm the happiest.
Yeah,
And
I'm also that kind
the
of person.
field I am in requires me to create content amongst other things, and I feel the most content when I have created
Mhm.
a piece or something.
Yeah.
Just something. Yeah.
Putting that small pieces also, it gives
Yeah.
so much satisfaction in a
Yes,
day.
it is.
Yeah.
I feel like my Instagram right now is not a lot of effort put into my content.
Yeah.
Because that is more like a relatable, whatever is
Yeah.
working, I put it out and it's working out for me. So I'm just
Yeah.
okay with it. Although on the Under 25 app is where most of my
Your content is going out. Yeah.
content goes out.
Yeah.
YouTube to some extent.
Yeah.
But
मैंने
yeah.
तो YouTube तो नहीं देखा है, except the vlogs.
Yeah, vlogs
But-
only.
Yeah.
वो vlogs ही है. But हाँ, that takes also a while to edit, and then
Yeah,
it's
dude.
I have 5 vlogs on my timeline. I just need to cut, paste, put captions, edit, and
Why I realized the last week, I realized the editing is so hard. And I'm trying to figure out a way to make it easier. I think the initial stage is like that. When you
yeah,
try to do something new,
for sure.
it's always hard to do.
So I
I
started
just have to
editing
stick with it. Yeah.
when I started making content. So
Hmm.
right now editing comes to me very fast.
Hmm.
So I can quickly, in the glance of like a second, I can edit something and keep
Yeah.
it ready.
Yeah.
But that is again because of so many reps
Reps. Yeah,
of
100%. Yeah.
that I've had. So yeah.
Yeah.
What do you have a content piece that you've written
For?
for anything, bro, that you remember on the top of your head? You said you write lyrics and
Yeah,
stuff.
मैंने एक song लिखा था.
Uh-huh.
It was long. It was quite long. मुझे lyrics तो उतना याद नहीं आ रहा है.
ठीक है.
But I sang it for a girl.
Of course. All
To take a review.
lyricists are born with either a heartbreak or
Yeah.
someone just starting.
Yeah. Yeah.
I like Anuv Jain, I like Pratik Kohad and Ritwis. Who are your favorite artists?
मुझे I really like Charlie Puth.
ऐसे गाने सुनती भी नहीं हूँ.
अच्छा, then I'll tell you the
Yeah.
Bollywood side.
Go for it.
Bollywood and Karnataka,
Yes.
right? I like Sanjay Tagde
Uh-huh.
and I like Arjit, and I recently started liking Yash Raj. His songs are really cool.
Yeah.
He's like उसका songs का पता नहीं, but he's kind of inspiration also, like to the young folks. He's also just get
Yeah.
started, and he's doing lot working so hard, I feel. And Zayden is another guy.
Yeah,
I
Zayden
really
is
like.
nice.
Yeah.
Zayden ke old songs I used to like. Now I haven't heard much of him.
Abhi 5M was the last one, and PR was this recent
I
one,
haven't
which
heard either of
wasn't
them.
that. I don't know.
You were mentioning that you were into community building. What kind of communities are you building?
We have this software testers community. You know
Okay.
developers, right? The other side is testers,
Mhm.
and we have a global community of those. Currently, we are around 120K strong
Alright.
global community, and we also do the annual. You said about U25, right?
Yeah.
So we also do annual events. We do 3 to 4 in a year, like that.
Okay.
One is the in person,
Mhm.
which I shared you, but you
Yeah.
couldn't join.
Sorry. Uh-huh.
Yeah. So I know you didn't post that page, but
Yeah, I did not, but I did go through all the
But that
important
was-
documents you sent me.
yeah. Hopefully, from now you will see the documents.
Bro,
From now, for sure.
in my defense, I have looked through all the important documents you've sent
Yeah,
me.
that's true. That's true.
Yeah.
I can agree on
I
that.
remember all the questions you've written in that by heart.
I don't remember, but
See, I should be on that side of the
I
podcast.
have I don't know. I have a really bad memory.
I have a really good memory.
Oh, this is not a similarity, but
Yeah,
okay.
I remember things.
Yeah, I remember. This is so
I
bad. like-
remember very weird. I remember people's names.
I'm very bad at that.
I
Again.
can remember people's names.
Yeah, okay, that's cool. I was not able to remember the Hollywood singer's name, right? So that
yeah,
bad I
that
am.
proves it.
Yeah,
that proves
I'm
your point.
too
Yeah.
bad. I don't know what to do about it.
So this
Right.
community of people you have
Hmm.
is where, on a WhatsApp group or
No, it's basically we have two communities. One is open community, and one is also exclusive community, which is
okay.
Paisa.
Yeah. Where are
so
these
one,
people?
one open community is on Discord.
All right.
Discord and a couple of we have city wise groups
Mhm.
like for Bangalore, for Pune.
Yeah.
We do meetups as well. Like I
Mhm.
host in Bangalore.
Mhm.
So that's when I actually started hosting.
Okay.
And the first time I hosted, I was like too much nervous, and I just went into flow, and it went actually cool, pretty decent.
And what do you do in these events?
In these events, we typically have sessions on testing related.
So it's like a
Yeah.
education.
Yeah, upskilling, more of upskilling way.
Yeah.
And we have snacks, we have
Of
samosas,
course.
and we have networking
Uh-huh.
and activities, all of that
Mhm.
stuff. But it's for me, it's pretty fun to do things like that. And at least for I'm doing work from home for past 1.5 year,
Yeah.
and I
बाहर जाने का मौका एक ही बार मिलता है.
एक ही बार मिलता है
तो मैं
month में.
खुद ग्रैब कर
I'll
लेता हूँ.
go and I just be myself. I just give it my best shot,
Yeah.
and वहाँ पर fun होता है. It's really cool. and I've
Damn
met
nice.
lot of good people out there, lot of good connection who
Mm-hmm.
helps me, who guides me in general
Yeah.
to what to do. I'm too young now, so yeah,
Very young.
very young. Not as much as you.
Yeah. You can't say that in front of me.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That was how it started. One was that normal global community that we had, and other was recently we started another community, exclusive community, where there is more of a more deep knowledge, more
And
deep
these
insight.
people are active
Yeah, of
throughout.
course, of course.
Yeah.
Yeah, these tech peoples are always active because they find one or the other thing to ask question about or
Mm-hmm.
know better about. But I feel there's a lot of, not just in testing, but there is a lot of passionate flows in India, in Karnataka, in
Mm-hmm.
Bangalore as well. I mean, I've met, I don't know the exact number. In last 1.5 year, at least, I can say I've in each meetup. It happens every month. In each meetup, I have met around at least 10 new people.
Mm-hmm.
That's that's how it's going.
That's nice.
But it's fun. It's going good.
That's nice.
अभी तो ये start हो गया है.
I
And
feel like
I'll tell you, I have to tell you, like
yes.
I had this thought of starting this podcast an year back.
Uh-huh.
And an year back I was thinking to start, and again when I came to your profile, and I was like, this is you, and there was one other person I know, and he and you were I was felt like first few podcasts तो इसको बुलाना ही पड़ेगा. I don't know why
Yeah.
but उस time पे I felt like I have to call, and hopefully and finally you are here.
We're here.
Yeah.
Damn
That's good.
nice.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I manifested for
Let's
Smara
go.
to be on the show.
Yeah. Next
First
time
episode.
manifest Smera to also become famous and come on the
Oh no.
next.
I'll manifest for we both going famous.
Yeah, bro.
Yeah,
यो
bro.
तो देख ले अपना, मैं अपना बता देती हूँ. You see your part of it. So yeah.
So, and yeah, I wanted to ask you one thing. Is Smara always happy?
Yeah, dude. Look at me.
No, I always feel like funny people are in the back they are always the depressed, or they are always the
फालतू में मुझे depressed बना रहा है,
depressed तो
bro.
नहीं बोला, depressed
Yeah.
तो नहीं हो सकता है, but I like they have their another side of like life,
Nah,
right?
bro. Yeah, I feel
So-
like, but everybody has their
So when do
fair share
you
of
feel like you feel like you're a bit
crying
sad, crying? Yeah.
every day.
Every day?
Bro,
Why?
I cry a lot, bro. That's not a stress for me. I am very chill like
Crying
that.
is good, I agree.
Yeah, I cry.
But why
as
do you
much as
cry?
For whatever. If I'm angry, I cry. If I'm
If you don't
hungry,
get a flower?
I cry. नहीं, bro.
I
You-
can't get on my flower.
नहीं
Yeah.
उतना मैं
I
वो
wish
नहीं.
it's okay.
Yeah, no, I
Yeah.
am chill like that, bro. I will
Yeah.
cry if my work is not happening right. But
Mhm.
I am happy also. मैं खुशी हूँ यार.
हाँ,
इंसान में
वो
खुश
तो
हूँ.
होता है. Like Monday mornings are crying for crying, and
No. My
ऐसा
Monday
नहीं?
mornings are fun.
Fun.
My work is fun, dude.
Okay, when do you cry?
ऐसा मैं टाइम लगा के थोड़ी रोती हूँ अब.
I meant
Every
you-
day
I meant
at
you
Wednesday 6 p.m.
schedule. Smara's crying schedule.
Yeah, I'm just going into the room at 6 p.m. crying and then coming back. ऐसा थोड़ी schedule. I
This is
cry
actually a cool idea. We can build a
No.
crying room.
Excuse me.
Crying room of for people who wants to come and just cry, and maybe with group of people.
Yeah, everyone's just crying there.
I'm just crying like Smara, I lost my job.
No, everyone's ranting like that. So
Hmm.
everyone's
Yeah, yeah.
crying 24/7. It's the person who's happy who makes a difference. बस मैं ही हूँ.
Kush.
But yeah, हाँ, मैं ही हूँ बड़ी खुश.
Huh. What else?
Talk about my work, man. I'm good at it. I'll tell you everything
Smara
about
talks a lot about her work.
it. Smara
Oh,
loves her work.
loves her work. What Smara hates? Yeah, tell me
Smara
this.
hates.
Yeah.
Smara hates auto वाले भैया asking for extra like for
God.
like overcharging, bro. For
ये होता
no
है क्या?
reason.
मुझे तो नहीं हो रहा है अभी. I
Uber
don't
से
know.
नहीं होता है यार, वरना होता है.
Uber से use Uber.
Uber मिलता नहीं है ना.
कहाँ
कभी
मिलता
कभी
नहीं?
मिलता है, कभी कभी नहीं
Where do
मिलता
you
है.
stay?
हाँ, बता दू पूरी
हाँ,
दुनिया को
बता दो,
where I
address बोल
stay.
दो.
I
Like I
stay-
went away
like
in
I stay in the happening places in
हाँ, then
Bangalore
why?
only.
Okay, then it's the
But-
competition.
Yeah,
of
bro,
Uber?
I don't know. ऑटो
Yeah.
मिलते हैं कभी नहीं मिलते हैं. So
Hmm.
autos is something
Hmm.
overpriced. Autos, how expensive Bangalore is sometimes.
Hmm.
Rains, don't like the rains.
Why? Why do you say that?
Cause bro, कीचड़.
So there is this two different scenarios of hating rain.
No, even if I'm inside,
One is
I
hating.
hate the rain.
Okay.
मेरे को मालूम था किसी को भी बोलो बारिश नहीं पसंद, घर के अंदर बैठे हो तो अरे नहीं
मुझे
पसंद.
मुझे भी नहीं, मुझे भी लगता है when I'm out I hate rain. When I'm inside my house it's really good.
I don't like it inside also, bro. What rains? You have to
This-
go out, no, sometime. I don't like staying inside.
yeah, you're asking me like I'm staying most
You
of
are like work from
yeah
home, no? I don't like staying inside. I
yeah.
get very if I stay inside. I need to go out. I need to at least bahar bhi, if I can sit, I'll sit.
What do you do out like up no, how do you tell me from there, like how did you meet friends? You from your college mostly, right?
College, roommates,
Hmm.
under 25.
What do you do on weekends except this aaj ka thing?
I go out, bro. I am with my friends.
Hmm.
I am somewhere. I'm doing something.
So what is that something?
I've
What are
tried
that some things? वो बता दो.
just going out for food, just going out to
Hmm.
meet friends, catch up with friends,
Hmm.
figure out a social life.
Social life.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I'm trying little bit to not work a lot on weekends. Work as in work that I do throughout the week.
Do you I also felt this, moment of when I started working at the early stage. I used to give more than what it needs. I felt I'm feeling that now. Whenever I joined a new company or whenever I started working at the first time, right? I was like, I'm gonna be the best. I'm gonna giving the longest hours, like even beyond 9 or something like that. Do you do that?
Yeah, I am still that person.
Do you still that person?
I'm still that
Okay.
person, and I enjoy being that person because I
Hmm.
feel like I like taking accountability and responsibility, and
Hmm.
I like
Again,
over
impressing
delivering,
the
bro.
boss.
No, I mean I am just like that. I like over
Yeah, I get
delivering.
it. Yeah.
I like being on schedule, and I
Mhm.
get very worked up if it is not happening according to me. I don't
Mm.
like things not happening according to me. I'm
Mhm.
okay with adjusting, but if it's not, if it's something that I want in a certain
Mhm.
way, it needs to happen that way.
Okay.
So particular like that. Yeah.
So you manage people or
I manage people.
okay.
Uh,
So how do you feel like at this age you are managing people and it's not something you have been doing for a long time, not even like not even for
yeah,
years, right? So what do you feel?
I feel like I don't feel different about it unless someone brings it up. कि तुम इतने छोटे. I'm just doing my thing and it's happening. It's working out for me
Yeah.
and I'm enjoying it. And even if you say that it hasn't been that much of an experience,
Hmm.
but the amount of time that I have been doing that,
Mhm.
I'm learning something every day and I'm
Yeah.
grasping that every day.
Yeah.
So it becomes way more easier when you have an open
Mhm.
mind and you're able to grasp things and put it out to work and effect.
Yeah.
And it's working out for me. And Hustler
That's really good.
Collective happened. It was a huge
I
success.
think that's because also you came from that background. You became a hustler and then you
Yeah,
gave a lot
it
of time
could
into
be
that.
that. It
Yeah.
could be just the gradual baby steps I
Yeah.
took to now this. So now you can say that I don't have full-time experience
Yeah.
a lot, but I do have experience. So I
Experience,
know. And it's not just with under 25. Even with Rahe, I'm doing that.
Yeah.
Even with another company, I was doing that.
Hmm.
So yeah, I have been okay with managing
Okay.
people, even in group projects. I've been that one person who's been like, okay, I'll do it.
That's good. How do your parents feel now at seeing you?
Hopefully
This
proud.
stage?
Hope.
Do you have a conversation with them? I don't really have, but I'm just.
No, I feel my parents are very supportive of everything I do.
Hmm.
They're also like parents. I feel like parents का क्या है bro, अगर तुम अच्छा करो जीवन में
Yeah.
तो वो खुश है.
Kush hai, yeah.
They want the best for me. They want what's best for you.
Hmm.
And I think it's the same with my parents. And I fully respect them that
Hmm.
they have given me this time and they've told me that, okay, you want to do this, you do this.
Yeah.
But we
yeah.
give you this much time and you show us if you can do this.
Hmm.
We're okay with it. But there's
So-
also this that you can do. and keep it in
Option.
mind.
Yeah.
Keep it in mind. If you love what you're doing, pursue
Hmm.
that.
Yeah.
But have a strong educational background.
Hmm.
That's all we ask for, and they're happy as long as I'm safe, I feel like.
Cool.
So
You have siblings or you're
single child.
single and alive,
Yes.
single with parents?
Do you
single
have
with...
siblings?
Yeah, I have a
You
elder
have a
sister.
sister. That's
Yeah.
nice. I've always wanted a elder brother.
Brother. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Hopefully next life.
Hopefully next life. अभी तो कुछ नहीं हो सकता. But yeah, I am still happy being a single child.
Yeah. What's the good part of being a single child and what's the bad? I think bad is having no one around. Like
No,
not
that's
a brother.
not bad. I feel that's good. Not having anyone around, not having to answer to anyone, not having to share your things
Hmm.
is great. I mean, I don't mind sharing my things. But I feel like that is the good part. I think the
Hmm.
bad part is not having someone to look up to as like a brother. I've always felt like if I had a brother, that brother would like protect me and stuff.
Smith Shetty.
यार इतना खराब नाम नहीं होगा मेरे भाई का. But
I'm just kidding.
yeah, I do have a
Yeah.
younger brother who's my mom's
Cousin.
sister's
Okay.
son,
Hmm.
and we're pretty close and
Oh,
we're
okay.
pretty tight.
Hmm.
And he's younger than me.
Hmm.
But yeah, nice guy. Love him.
He mostly he will be learning from you. He will take inspiration from
Hopefully.
Smera's
Hopefully you're
little
taking
funny.
inspiration from me, man. But yeah.
Imagine he watching this podcast at your age and saying it like, okay.
Hopefully.
Yeah.
Yeah. I've been lucky with the family aspect and the work aspect. I've been lucky with everything, man. I'm happy. Touch wood, touch wood, touch wood, touch wood, touch wood, touch wood. Yeah.
Yeah.
Nice. It's also what you build up for yourself.
Yeah.
I wouldn't have been doing all of this if I didn't
Hmm.
grab every opportunity that came my way,
Hmm.
and I did.
Yeah.
And from the smallest of the smallest things to the biggest of the biggest
Hmm.
things, I've just been saying yes. To some
Hmm.
modeling gig that I don't know of, I've said yes. To some short film which has never been released, I said
Mhm.
yes.
Hmm.
Are all things that have never come out, but those experiences are what make me.
Yeah, that's totally like I can completely agree with that. Even when I was in college, like college second year time pe, I started doing courses in marketing. Us time pe,
Mhm.
I always remember that moment because if I was not going that way, if I didn't
Yeah.
choose that course or any particular thing, now it might be small thing.
For you,
But
it's completely different. No,
time
from an
pe,
engineering background to
yeah.
do marketing, yeah.
Yeah, it's totally different. And mujhe I had some callings for this always. Like go for it. Even for this podcast, even to invite you.
Yeah.
So all of this. But yeah, it's really, really, really fun doing creative stuff. Take
For
me
sure,
to the
for
next
you
step.
to come from an engineering background and then to
Yeah.
jump to marketing background is a huge jump. But then अभी तो सारे engineers लास्ट में MBA ही
MBA
कर
कर
रहे
रहे
हैं,
हैं.
या तो MBA कर रहे हैं या तो MBA करके stand up comedy कर रहे हैं. तो
Anything, all things art.
yeah, all things that if you want to become a stand up comedian and then you don't have a
Yeah.
stage to talk
Reach
on,
out to
reach out
Smera.
to Rahe.
Rahe, Smera,
Yes,
Tanish, right?
Tanish,
Yeah.
Tanish Raj.
Oh
yes.
God, I didn't.
You
spell
do
it
not
wrong.
forget. It's
Yeah.
okay fine. मेरे को याद रहता है तनिष का नाम. मैं बोल
Yeah.
दूंगी.
Tanish is easy. Smera
is
is bit hard. But अभी Smera तो I know
अब
for a
Hopefully.
time.
Hopefully. ऐसा अगले पॉडकास्ट में कोई आके पूछा था अगले पिछले में ना
Oh,
वो एक
कौन
आई
थी
थी
वो?
वो रील रानी यार.
Yeah, I will remember that. Real Rani.
Bro, Reel Rani is also an epic story, bro.
क्या था
So
scene?
I posted this one reel and my college faculties saw the reel and they asked me to take it down.
I have heard this story.
Where have you heard this story?
My college. I don't know. I don't remember
पता
exactly.
होगा bro किधर से भी. So my college
Yeah.
faculty they asked me to take it down and then पूरा तमाशा हो गया था bro. मेरे को HOD के पास जाके apology letter, this, that, this. And then after that, the whole department started calling me
Real
Rani.
Rani.
bro. Every time I went,
That's how Real Rani invented.
yeah, that's how Real Rani was invented indeed.
That's it. I'm really saying you, even now, even tomorrow,
No,
even 1 year from
no,
now in future, you have
no,
to keep that name in your bio.
no chance. I am not taking college trauma into my social media. But you know what? Trauma makes the best content.
Yeah.
Trauma makes for
Mhm.
best comedy scripts.
Yeah, that's true. Yeah, that was it. I think
Yes, I think.
हमने पूरा अनबॉक्स कर दिया स्मरा को. I think not to that extent which you were denying to.
यार ये पीछे ही पड़ गया है.
ओके, ठीक है. अभी नहीं तो एक और पॉडकास्ट में कर
Done
लेंगे.
for sure.
क्या यू विल बी इन बैंगलोर. कहाँ
Yes,
जाएंगे
अभी तो you're only.
उस टाइम पे? मे बी होपफुली यू विल बी कंफर्टेबल और यू विल हैव 2-3 मोर ब्रेकअप्स.
क्यों? एक तो पहले मेरे से पूछा कि why are you not depressed? उसके बाद नहीं चाहिए ही नहीं मेरे को दुख जीवन में, रहने दो खुश मुझे.
I want to see Smara laughing and
बस full stop. Full stop laughing. खत्म.
ठीक है. I was trying to say she achieves everything that
Yeah,
she
okay, go
deserves
for it. Okay,
and all of that. You are saying you
okay.
have to stop it at
Yeah,
the
yeah, make up
so
for it.
sub and I have to see the breakup side
Yeah.
of things, relationships. I
ये
have to say
देखो
that.
I point पे वापस. But I hope to also see myself succeed, and also this podcast,
Yeah.
you figuring all the things out, maybe
Yeah.
having better and sharper memory.
Yeah.
And yeah, and hopefully you get better guests, great
I should
guests.
name this podcast Bad Memory.
क्यों यार?
मेरा मेमोरी उतना अच्छा नहीं है ना.
Hmm.
But अभी तो नहीं जाएगा. But
Yeah,
I'm just
no,
saying.
bad
just
memory
saying.
is just very clickbaity, because then they're just like,
Bad memory. I'm not in the
हाँ,
sense
समझा
like
मेरे को. That is
podcast का नहीं है,
once,
मेरा
once
memory.
you explained it, I figured the context. But yeah, very clickbaity of you. But yeah, damn fun, dude. Thank you for having me here.
ये सब
And
नहीं चलेगा यहाँ पर. नॉर्मल टाइप वाला लाइक नॉर्मल.
ठीक है
थैंक
भाई,
यू.
अगली बार बुलाना मेरे
अगली
को.
बार बुलाना.
जब बुलाना
कॉफी
बुला bro.
कॉफी पिलाना.
हाँ,
और
अगली बार उसमें
फ्लावर्स
कॉफी होना
लेके
चाहिए,
आना.
पानी नहीं.
पानी नहीं, कॉफी. अरे बोल दिया.
अभी तो बोला.
And
Forward
the whole
मत रहो.
podcast I'm drinking water.
Yeah, bro, it's just sipping it, but there's just water in it. Just
Yeah.
letting y'all know.
I like water more than
हाँ
coffee.
हाँ.
Yeah. I like Real Rani more than Smara. Shit.
Okay. Hopefully people like Real Rani as well and make me famous, dude.
Yeah, dude. I'll try to make as famous as possible with this
Please
podcast,
do.
dude. Let's see.
Please. I hope you learn all the video editing that is required to be learned, and you make smaller clickbaity reels, and then I blow up on something controversial if I have said anything.
Yeah. Have you? Do you see this podcast? I will talk that later. Okay.
ठीक है,
Thank you.
bye.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Thank you, Smara.
Welcome back.